Japan and Jamaica might be twin flames because the way how Japanese people love Jamaican culture, the way how those Japanese people love Jamaican culture should be studied. I was on Japanese TikTok, but I felt like I was on Jamaican TikTok. They were doing all of the latest Jamaican dance moves and even down to the way how they were talking. They were saying blood clot and wagwan. I mean, whatever happened to konnichiwa? Whatever happened to that? How did blood clot and wagwan end up all the way in Japan? And then it was this one Japanese guy, he was speaking Japanese, but in a Jamaican accent. And the same guy in the video was saying that he loved Jamaican pum pum. And I was wondering, like, does he know what he's saying? I mean, I'm pretty sure he knows what pum pum means, but how did pum pum end up all the way in Japan? You know what, though? I love it. Blood clot konnichiwa. Big up on the blood clot konnichiwa self. Hold up, big up on the konnichiwa.
The wildest thing about Japan is not the food, it's not the culture, it's not the infrastructure, it's not the nature. Let me show y'all something. It's the people that are extremely obsessed with culture that they've never experienced. Dude, this is what I love about Japan, especially Osaka, bro. There's like a very intense group of people that love Jamaican culture. Don't know why, but look at this. Down in Jamaica, Jamaican, I guess, like reggae festival. Do these people look Jamaican to you? Here's another one. All of these people are like reggae artists. All right, these are not just the fans. There's more people that listen to this. All right, these are just the artists that are performing at the festival, and they have flyers. It's all in Japanese. They have a venue. Everything print. Like, how do they know about this, bro? Look at this one. They have a pamphlet. This is too much. This is too much. All in Japanese. They I guess this is a Japanese person with dreads on there. They got the flags and everything. Like, are they Rastafari? Like, how do they know what this is? I've actually seen like advertisements for dance hall competitions, bro. Like, I don't see, like, look, this one, look, the dreads look real. I mean, I guess they are real. Like, bro, they think they're Jamaican. They actually think they're Jamaican.
Guys, welcome to my channel again. Today I'm going to talk about the way Japanese are into Jamaican language. They are really talking like Jamaican. You can think that the Japanese are Jamaican. Their accent, their moves, their movement when it comes to dance, they love Jamaican song. They are into Jamaican till you see like, these people are not Jamaican by looking at them. But when they start talking, you see, oh gosh, are you Jamaican? You can question them, but some of them, they're not Jamaican, but they love the accent of Jamaican. That's why they are practiced so hard to know how to speak like Jamaican. You see, even other Japanese, they want to marry from Jamaican. They want to marry from black people. And that also encourage them to know how to speak like Jamaican. And that's why you get a lot of white people are into black people, because they see like, these Jamaican are very good people. These Jamaican are doing the nice thing that we need also to follow them. So I don't want to talk much. I just need you to see these videos. The dance movement, the way they are into Jamaican song, the way they are doing Jamaican things, and that encouraged a lot. Watch this clip and video, and I'll be back with more comments.
Did you know Japan's love for reggae and dancehall runs deep? So, Japan's reggae and dancehall scene started in the late 1970s and 80s, especially during the rise of Bob Marley, eventually turning into a passionate subculture. But it wasn't until the 90s where we saw Japan's own influence in the scene. Listen, New York! Mighty Crown, a Yokohama sound system crew, won World Clash in New York City in 1999, cementing Japan's place in the global reggae scene. In 2002, Junko Kudo became the first Japanese dancer to win Jamaica's Dancehall Queen competition. Talent like Cornhead, Akane, and Moomin, and even Japanese dancers like Cornbread have embraced dancehall, blending their own style. Reggae and dancehall have quite a presence in Japan, with festivals like One Love Jamaica Festival and Yokohama Reggae Festival, attracting fans nationwide. Their shared love for reggae proves music brings people together.
Are you Rastafari?
Yeah, yes, I. From Japan.
From Japan?
Yes. My name is Atsushi. We come from Clarendon, you know. Yeah, but stay town, you know. Me and study to jam, bingi. We can find a teacher in my country, you know. Yeah, that's why me coming to, you know. Yeah.
I've never seen a Japanese Rastafari before.
No, all by elder there, you know.
Really?
Yeah. Me study from them too, you know.
In Jamaica?
In Japan, in Jamaica
Japan
too.
too?
They visit to Jamaica too, you know. Yeah, man. Hey, I lady,
いえ、パトワ講座その6。That is it. That is it は間違いないみたいな意味です。いや、That is it. I'm out.
And how was your first experience in Jamaica?
It's like Osaka, you know. People is funny, food is nice, pum pum is tight.
I think we can end the interview right now.
While I went to Osaka, I went to go have some jerk chicken at a restaurant, and I met this Japanese guy who spoke really good English, but he spoke it with a Jamaican accent. I thought it was super interesting. The food was amazing. Let's go check him out.
All right, introduce yourself. What's your name?
My name IQ,
Where are you from?
Osaka Banang Road,
And where's your second home?
Jamaica Kingston.
Okay.
Early 2000, 2004 or 5, first time in Jamaica. My English teacher is a Jamaican.
Oh, okay. Where in Jamaica was he from?
Montego Bay.
And how was
In-
your first
in Montego Bay.
experience in Jamaica?
It's like Osaka, you know. People is funny,
Yeah.
and food is nice.
Okay.
Yeah, and pum pum is tight. I don't know.
I think we can end the interview right now.
Sounds good. Show us.
Your English is really, really good.
No, sir. My English is dirty. It's not the English, you know, patois, you know.
Hold on, let me see. Go check out your boy, his jerk chicken, and practice some English with him. He's a really cool guy.
Jamaican patois, the language spoken in Jamaica. What are you doing here? What you do here? It is mine. After me. Where are you going? Where you go? Why did you call me? What you call me for? Come back here. Come back here, so. Look here. Look here.
No white girl from Jamaica talks like that, y'all. How do I know? And him say him know few. But me and a them and a me. That are the thing. Me want to deliver patois anyhow me want to deliver. So if you not like me way of delivering the great patois, that's none of my problems. And my problems that go somewhere where you satisfy yourself and your ears. Cause my problem that. Me no business.
You know, put sickness on it. You have to put fat soap on it and wrap it around and dirt. You know, go burn up if you do that. The fat come out shine. So me go shop and sit and come and come back and go share too. No. Somebody share my food, please. Me walk away on the side of here and shift it back between and to any bag. Every and now enough me after.
Wassy, no people in Wassy.
After me go, I'm tired. Me and then tired.
Yeah, so the Wassy Jamaican white girl people wanna be asked about. I said, oh, she talks so. She talk the sweetest Jamaican language more than any one of us. So come give me a look at your language. I'm the people know your features.
My language is Patois and English. That is my first.
Oh, so the people always ask you about Jamaican born.
I was born in Jamaica. I was raised here. I went to school here.
People can understand. Tell the people them where you're born and grew.
I'm born and grew up Portland. I'm raised here. I go to school here. Everything. I travel. Yes. My parents German, so I am bilingual, right?
Yes.
Yes, so I can speak German as well. Ich kann auch Deutsch reden, wie die Melodie, weil sie ist auch Deutsch.
What?
So yes, I can speak. I can don't do that. Yes. And I can also speak standard English. I can speak very good English. So yeah.
What else can you do?
Everything.
Everything else.
What I know. Can climb tree or far. Yo, where do we go? Yo, where do we go up to? On apple tree, Miss Yara. Who you been on top of apple tree? That's how the backside in go.
You say you're fine? You say you're fine?
Why don't Jamaican men eat pum pum?
I don't know. Maybe you have to ask him. I don't know, honestly.
Do you think that maybe... Oh. Sorry, getting a call here. 1 sec.
Okay.
Hey, dirty girl. I'm not done tell you don't call off my blood clot phone when me there work. Yeah, I'll go suck your mother pussy clot. And mommy don't give you 2 boxing and your bumbo clot face when we come home. Sure. Sorry about that. My wife.
No!
I always tell her, if I go and act like a roadside gal, then me I could treat you like a roadside gal, you know?
Seriously, I will teach you them languages.
Anywho, you were saying?
I don't know, I don't remember. Shiny man, talk again.
Big up.
I got the blood.
I am born. Yeah, man, that's what I'm born.
You born in Jamaica? So you have the accent so lock belong to yourself.
But they're on the right people then.
Oh, okay, so you like, don't you?
I'm a place there, you know.
I am born. Black men, Japan needs you. Japan is calling specifically for black men. I know you are saying why, Tasha. They say they need babies, and black men tend to make a lot of them. After South Korea proposed last week $75,000 per baby that a family has, Japan is in desperate need, okay? And they are calling all black men, specifically immigrants, to come and impregnate their women so that they can save their dying population. I don't understand because, you know, black men were once and still is on the inner side of the line, which means their lives, I mean, what are you going to guarantee us if we send our men over there to help save you? Could you imagine? Think about this. After everything they put us through, everything, y'all trying to take these men out. Now you need them to repopulate the earth? The United States is responsible for what's going on over there in Japan. Why should we be held responsible? And get this, they ain't even paying no money to do it. They're just saying, please, black men, immigrants, please come have babies with our women. Here's the thing, we're gonna need to run some tests because it could be from what happened years ago as to why their population is down. You know what I'm saying? That stuff's still in the soil, it's still in the air. You already know what I'm talking about. What's that white man's name that thought it was a genius idea to create the biggest bullet in the world? Oppenheimer, yeah, that's his name. So why is it that, you know, y'all called him this, y'all called him that, you enslaved and you did this, and now you ain't calling for it. You ain't calling for it. You calling for it to come save your community. And I'm gonna go over there saying? I'm gonna start me a negotiation firm over there in Asia and stuff, and I'm going to have black men come breed with them, but they're gonna get benefits, they're gonna get lifetime protection from any type of child support if they decide to leave and don't want to stay in these here countries. They're going to be set for life, which means anything that these kids bring, it is gonna come back directly to the black family, which means if I send Sheck over there to breed, right? Let's just say hypothetically I sent him over there on a contract breeding, anything that these kids inherit is gonna come back to us. The same way they do it with these, we used to be slaves on this land out here, and anything that we work, you know what I'm saying? They own and went back to their family. We gonna start sending it back to Africa, back to the black families. That's the type of contract I need if you need this sperm. Because this one ain't dying. We gonna get our kickbacks out of here. Moving on.
Hello guys, welcome back. I believe that you have seen the way the Jamaicans music and dancehall, it's being imitated, very imitative to Japan with Japanese, and that's is a clear picture and a clear evidence that you see like, no, Japanese, they're into Jamaican. They're very imitative towards Jamaican language. In everything that Jamaicans are doing, you get Japanese are into it. And you get also, they're asking for hand in marriage. They're doing the intermarriages, and that intermarriages also encourage a lot. And you see, it make them to be into Japanese so much. And that's the reason why you should also try to do some things, by the way. Being a good country, being a country that many people wish to be like, it's very minimal. And that's why you get a lot of people, a lot of countries that seriously imitating Jamaican. When you get to their hip-hops, they are so wow, you feel like, no, I just need to listen to this music over and over, because it has good messages that motivates, that makes you to feel at home. When you look at their reggae music, they're so sweet. The movement of those of the reggae is so nice. That's why you get a lot of Japanese that are into Jamaican language, into the Jamaican dancehall, into Jamaicans music, into Jamaicans kind of food that they take. They also learn how to, the way the Japanese are very welcoming, warm welcoming. They're very good people to stay with, and that motivates a lot. It encourages a lot. You see now the reason why I was just saying that when you go to all the, that's why I was saying like many Japanese are imitative towards Jamaican culture, and they're also intermarrying so that they can get more closer to the Jamaican culture. And that's where you see also the Jamaican are so unique. Their flag, it's just the only flag that doesn't have the red color and the white color. And you see the way they are just, they have their own culture, their own citizenship, their own things that they're doing that is not the same as other countries. And that's the reason why you see Jamaican is just a unique country in its own ways, in making food, in their music, in their culture, in everything that they're doing, they're just doing in a different way than other countries. That's why you get more Japans are into Jamaican language, into Jamaican people. That's why you get, and I believe that it reach a point that you'll see, we have also the black people leading the countries, being the leaders in other countries that you never expected that the black people can be the leader there. And that will motivate a lot. That's why I'm just waiting to see your comment at the comment section. Please don't forget to comment, like, and share my video. And I'll be reading more comments and also your point of view towards the Jamaican country, the country that is as it has its own way of doing things, and that motivates a lot and that encourages a lot. So see you in the next video. Please don't forget to comment, share, and like my video. And also, I need to hear from you, because the videos are they are talking and showing all the things that is going on. You see the way they are the Japanese are into Jamaican. See you in the next video. Bye bye.